Today, we're going to talk about the four pillars of an effective estate plan. So, there are four things. If you do these four things, everything will go very well if you are effective at setting them up. So, the first one is you need an after death plan. Now, this sounds worse than it is. It's basically to make sure that you have your will in place and that there's a strategy for asset distribution. You want to be able to transfer your wealth and you want to be able to dictate your final wishes. Of course, you want everything to go to the right people. You don't want the government default rules to kick in. So the first thing is basically a plan for after you pass away. The next one is you need a incapacity plan. Incapacitation, we have to have powers of attorney, and the one of them we need is for financial management, is a power of attorney for property, which also includes your finances. So you want to protect, if you're unable to take care of yourself, you want to be able to protect your financial stability and ensure a trusted person can manage your money and property. And that's very important stuff. That's as important as planning for death, because you want to be able to have that plan in place. So the third one is also to plan for incapacitation. So basically, this has to do with healthcare management. I mean, if you're not able to make decisions due to illness or injury, and you're just not able to respond, you want to ensure that your personal care is taken care of and your medical wishes are honored if you can't communicate in regards to that. This also relieves a tremendous amount of stress for your family. They don't have to guess, they don't have to argue over life altering decisions that affect you. And then the last one is basically there needs to be an overall a strategic plan that deals with taxation and deals with an efficiency side of things. So efficiency planning and tax planning. So basically, you want to maximize the value transferred to your heirs, right? You want to be able to legally minimize taxation. You want to be able to reduce delays, reduce costs associated with probate or the estate administration process. And if you can do that, that'll be good. And if you need assistance with that, make sure you find a competent estate planner, someone who has specialization in these areas, and that'll make a world of difference. Take care. We'll talk to you later.